This has got to be one of the most beautiful lakes in the entire state of Oregon. Look at this. This is gorgeous. Loving the glisten, the sparkle of the morning sun. Beautiful Crescent Lake. And this is a pretty massive lake. Definitely above average size, one of the bigger ones. See a little bit of snow-capped alpine joy there straight ahead. Oh, look how beautiful this is. This is a magical area, it really is. I love Central Oregon. This Highway 58 zone of Crescent Lake, Odell Lake, and Waldo Lake, as well as Summit Lake, I'll add. The gorgeous zone. Again, I'll add today's November 6th, 2024, and it's a bit cold. It's in the 20s right now. Definitely winter. You can't see any snow here on the shoreline, but the campground is full of snow, and the parking across the way at the Fawn Lake trailhead is snow and ice. So for some reason this section doesn't have any snow on it, but we'll take it. Allows us to walk around here in November, winter. Oh my gosh. I cannot convey in words how absolutely gorgeous this is. Like, this is ridiculous. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. This is actually one of my favorite places in all of Oregon, this area. Look at this. Crescent Lake is pure magic. This is a majestic wonderland, so you can see a little bit of snow on the opposite beach on the other side of the lake. Right in that transition period where there's snow everywhere, but it's not a full-blown winter wonderland yet. Look at this. And back around over here. Oh. This is gorgeous. I mean, this is ridiculous. This is absolutely